Woody the Ruger, man, I spit like a Ruger. Free Ruger, face shot click, free slick, bitch. You know I throw them bees out, nigga. Ah! They say I'm a demon, man. Like I do shit like this for the fun, man. Freestyle shit, man. I'm trying to sign a deal, fuck bars of clout, folk catch a body, I'ma bond him out. Shots hit his chest, he ain't responding now. Now the police knocking at his mama house, shit, he shot at me and ran in the crib. Get the knocking at his mama house, you hear that llama shouted, then his body bounce, I smoke a pound like a fucking ounce. Put my scully on, hit his fucking dome, turn his happy house to a bloody home. I got 2 baby nines, let them child play. Chucky home, I'm the babysitter, shit, he only live if his baby with him. If he mean mud, that 380 hit him. If I was you, I wouldn't play crazy with him. Headbands on my dead mans, you tried to kill me, that's your last chance. I swear to God, man, I had lands, but you can't blame when that thing jam. Floating them to the scene down. Boy, be careful who you bring round. Shots hit his body, make him lean down. Hit him with a pipe, he a fiend now. He can dream now, you can sleep tight. Catch a body up the beat, right? He try to run, hit his feet twice. Niggas getting killed trying to be nice. Stay on the porch, don't jump off. You can get killed in this street life. He wanna know what the streets like. I'm about that first degree life. Man down on the ops block. Gang bang, get a op shot. Hell yeah, bitch, I'm in the field, but you get killed trying to block shots. My niggas got your block hot. Shoot the pole to the Glock hot. We in the vans and them doors slam like our vans gonna cha-cha. Let's get it, nigga. I be on that rah-rah shit like Meek Mill, nigga. And there's gonna be a lot of niggas mad when I meet Mills, nigga. When I say Meek Mills, I ain't talking about Meek, I'm talking about Bills, nigga. These niggas talk loud until they see me get the chills, nigga. I'm in the field, man.